If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Apex Legends, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce stuttering and enhance performance. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Apex Legends. Go to the settings menu, select the video options, and reduce the resolution, texture quality, and effects. This can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Updated drivers can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. These can consume system resources and lead to frame stuttering. Use the task manager to identify and close any non-essential programs. Step 4. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher like Origin or Steam. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, which can help improve performance. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. Go to the control panel, select power options, and choose the high performance plan. This setting ensures your system is using maximum resources for gaming. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing Apex Legends. Enjoy your gaming experience.